Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you why I stopped using Photoshop and started using Affinity Photo instead. No more monthly subscription, no lag, and still the same powerful editing tools. Paying every month just to keep using the software doesn't make sense for a lot of creatives. To download this, go to the Google and search Affinity. Click on First Result. Now click on Get Affinity. It's free for everyone and we can use it. Just sign up and download. Click on Sign Up to Download button. You can log in with your social logins or another way. After the login success, it navigate to the download page. Currently only available for Mac and Windows operating systems. You can install it from one click. After the installation, we can see it only takes 1.4 gigabits of our storage. For the first time, we need to connect our Canva account to the application. Click on Continue if you are already logged to your account. Click on Open Affinity button. It interface also similar to the Photoshop, so anyone can easily adapt to it and start working. You can try this out and share your thoughts in the comments. I hope this video helped you learn something new. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.